Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown! Today, we're comparing the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker with the SMUG Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in our comparison. The Igloo Ice Maker is priced at $87.99, while the SMUG model is more affordable at $69.99. This price difference could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers. Let's see if the features justify the higher cost of the Igloo. When it comes to ice production speed, the Igloo takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cylinder-shaped ice cubes, while the SMUG can create 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. If you're looking for quick ice, the SMUG has the edge here. The Igloo Ice Maker produces only one type of cylinder-shaped ice, while the SMUG offers 2 selectable sizes of bullet ice. This versatility can be beneficial for different drink types, making the SMUG a more adaptable choice for various occasions. In conclusion, both the Igloo and SMUG ice makers have their strengths. The Igloo is great for those who prioritize brand reliability and compact design, while the SMUG offers better speed and versatility at a lower price. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.